Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a smoky eye / New Year's look. I'm going to be testing out some new products that I bought recently. I have a Crown Brush eyeshadow palette here that I'm going to use today. First, I'm going to be using a Berry M Flawless Original Primer. And it looks like this, it's like a white. And it feels like a lotion. It's not as heavy as a cream. It's a little bit runny. And I'm going to be using my brush from Rita. It's the Define Buffer brush. So this primer right here has a scent to it. It's not a very strong smell or scent, but it has a floral smell. So if you have like a sensitive skin, maybe it will irritate you, but I don't have sensitive skin, so the smell doesn't bother me. And it's applying very even. It's very smoothing. It feels like those lotion type of primers, and it absorbs to the skin very easy. It doesn't feel any greasy or it feels a little bit tacky, but it's not overly sticky. Next, I'm going to be applying the Flawless Matte Finish Foundation from Berry M, and this is in the shade Beige 03. In W, there was 3 shades. There was 1, 2, and 3. There's not a lot of range of colors to choose from, so I'll just see if that works with my skin. It's a neutral undertone. It looks a bit dark, and it has a very weird texture. Like when it came out, it had like a liquid in it. I'll just wipe that off and try and shake the foundation first, because that looks a lot better. I took 3 puffs on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna be applying that. I'm using my flat definer brush from Rita. This shade looks like a neutral shade. It doesn't have any like yellow to it. It's more like pink based. It's medium to light coverage. It's not full coverage foundation, but it definitely looks matte on the skin. It dries very quickly. So that's just one layer using 3 pumps of the foundation. I might try and build it up. Use maybe 2 more pumps. Just around the areas that needs a bit more coverage. It's building okay, but again, it's not giving me a full coverage. It's more medium coverage. It's definitely not the full coverage. It's more natural to matte finish. Just gonna take it down my neck just because it's gonna look better this way. So that's the foundation for one. Next, I'm gonna be using the concealer from Berry M. So the Flawless Light Reflecting Concealer, and it's in the shade number 4. So this is all the first impression. I've never used these products before. We'll see how everything works on my skin. I have a very oily skin type. So it comes in a little brush applicator. gonna apply that under my eyes. This has a very yellowy undertone, and it looks like a sheer, very sheer coverage concealer. Reminds me a lot of the MAC brightening concealer, the ones that come in like the clip pen type of brush. And I'm just going to use a concealer, airbrush concealer brush from Models Prefer. I'm just going to pat. So I did a really good job in concealing and reducing all the dark circles under my eyes. It feels really light under the eyes, it doesn't feel heavy. But the foundation looks a little bit light on me. If they had more shades, I would go with something more yellow undertone for my skin color. Next, I'm going to be using the Chisel Cheek Contour Creams from Very M. Comes like this. Just going to use the highlight first, just for under my eyes and the areas I want to highlight. The forehead, at the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin, the jawline. It's very creamy and applies very easily. Next, I'm going to put some contouring. Not much, just to try it out first. Okay, it's not really dark, so more of a bronzy shade. Around the forehead, around the cheeks, and a little bit on the nose. That's all fine. Now I'm just gonna get a separate brush to blend contour and highlight. I'm gonna be using flat brushes, just flat foundation brushes. I'm going to be using this one from Real Techniques, just for the highlight part first. It blends really easy. Love when the stick contour and highlight sticks blends that easily. It means it works well. I'm just going to do this first, and then I'm going to go over all the areas with my foundation brush I used earlier. Next, I'm taking the other brush and we're just going to blend very easily, which is a good sign. Just always blend the contour upwards, and don't take it too far in. And blending with this, the jawline, blending down in downwards strokes is best for the jaw area. And the nose, I'm just gonna take the brush flat like this and start with. Gonna clean under this area here with whatever left on my highlighting brush. Definitely creases a little bit under my eyes, but that's normal because it's a cream product, so it needs to be set with a powder. So that's that. I'm just gonna go over with the same brush, just to make sure everything's nicely blended. Okay, so it's all is the cream products all applied. For the primer, I'm going to use the Toofaced Shadow Insurance Lemon Drop. Just going to use a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to be taking my concealer brush and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelids from lash line to brow. Now I'm just going to use the banana powder from Very M. It's the Ready Set Smooth powder. So it comes like this, and then you open it up, and it has a mirror in it. It has a little sponge applicator, which is really good. And then the product, it has like a sift there. Blend under the eyes again. I'm going to use a brush like that. It looks like this. I'm going to use that to apply the banana powder under my eyes. It looks a bit yellow. Of course, it's a banana powder, but I think it's a bit too yellow on my skin. A little bit of a sheen to it. It's not 100% matte. The powder, the Ready Set Smooth powder. So if you don't like powders that are too shiny, I think you wouldn't like this one. I'm just gonna try the other one, the translucent one. It's a white. Again, under my eyes today. And because I'm using a lot of eyeshadows and dark eyeshadows, so I need an extra bit of powder under my eyes to make sure it doesn't ruin all the base, all the face makeup that we've done. I like to put extra here because I get super oily. And I'm gonna take a bigger fluffy brush. This is a DH brush. It doesn't have a number, it's just a fluffy big brush. I'm just gonna go over all the other areas that I didn't set. Just lightly dust it off. I like how it looks. It's not too heavy on the skin. It's definitely smoothing, but it has a little bit of sheen to it, so it looks natural. It's not like a matte finish. Okay, next I'm going to be taking a bronzer or contour, and I'm gonna be using that to set all my contouring area. I'm gonna use this brush from Sedona Blank Canvas. It's the F15 brush in my Hoola bronzer. Just for circle motions and go upwards. Always blend your contour up, not down. And around the nose, I'm going to use one of the new brushes I got. This is from Makeup Net. It's a flat brush. So that's all the highlighting and contouring done. So I'm just going to start with my eyeshadow now. I'm going to do my eye next, so stay tuned.